But they're right on time. We just talked about that the other day. It doesn't matter how I sing, as long as I have the right outfit on.
That's right. We also talked about how we come to Yoshi's if I want to shout shit out at you.
Wow, you guys are wild. Okay, so I'm going to do the softball thing. And it's probably for all you players out there to just yell. So
Playa.
The ladies don't know what I'm talking about.
Bay Area know what we're talking about.
Now here you go again, you say you want your freedom. Now who am I to keep you down? It's only right that you should play it the way that you feel it. Listen carefully to the sounds of your loneliness. Like a heartbeat driving mad in the stillness of remembering what you had and what you lost. But you know what you had. Now you know what you lost.
Sing it if you know it. Sing it if you know it.
Oh, thunder only happens when it's raining. And players only love you when they're playing. And they say women, they will come and they will go. Oh, 'cause when the rain washes you, then you'll know. You'll know. You guys know that song, right? Good song, right? Now here I go again, see crystal visions, but I keep my visions to myself. It's only me, oh no.
Let's go, let's go.
It happens when it's raining. The players only love you when they're playing. They say, women, we will come and we will go. Oh, but when the rain washes you, you'll know. You'll know.
I think we need to hear one more from Reese, which I'm happy. How will I am singing that song? I don't know the name, but he said Mr. Romano. Mr. Romano. Mr. Romano. Come on. All you party go, but you know music is your master. Yeah, my hand on the gun, 'cause I'm an electro gang. I must pop bottles, free a party over. I love top bottles. All you party go, but you know music is your master. Yeah, my hand on the gun, 'cause I'm an electro gangsta. I must pop bottles. Resist, refuse, fight those rules, fight that fuse. Boom, focus under mockery when they pay for love and they fuck for free. Buy the book, read it, only a spy will tell you a secret. Shh, let me tell you a secret. Back in the days, my people was 350. When I'm born, human, I'm late to the rhythm, maybe lost in the music, but that's where it stopped. Back on top of like an owl.